The artillery duels are now the main thing in the war. The Ukrainian army is keeping up with the overrated Russian army. In this short call published by Ukrainian intelligence, the Russian soldier describes how members of the 1st Motorized Rifle Regiment demand money from civilians, including putting a gun to a child's head. Sadly, no more details have been provided with this call.
Заходит мирно, ебать. Автомат к ребенку в голове, ебать. Давай денег, бензин, вот тебе первый пол.
And some Ukrainian army driving in Mad Max style. In the east, the Ukrainian 66th Mechanized Brigade struck a Russian tank with an ATGM, damaging it. Another Russian armored vehicle and transport truck were also hit and destroyed. One of the Kharkiv schools before and after the Russian shelling. And something else. Fishing for Christmas presents? Navy recovering the FA-18E that was blown off the deck of USS Harry S. Truman due to bad weather. The aircraft was recovered from a depth of 9,500 feet from the Mediterranean.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.